you are audible.
Okay. So
Yes.
good afternoon,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
and how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And what about you?
I'm also doing pretty well.
Okay, nice. That's good.
This is our first conversation, so please introduce yourself.
Yes, actually, my name is Rajni, and I am from Himachal Pradesh. I am homemaker as well. I am running the YouTube channel. I would like to say about my education. I have completed MCOM. That's it about me.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
How long
Yes.
have you been this language?
I have been starting this channel for I think 3 4 years. Yes.
3, 4. So you are doing work on this channel continuously.
No, actually, ma'am, sometimes I get break some because of some reason. So sometimes I make the video daily.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So if you have a question for me, then you can ask.
So please, ma'am, can you give the introduction?
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So my name is Kalpana Gangwar. I'm from
Okay.
UP. And if I talk about my qualification, I am a MA B.Ed and I am a
Okay.
homemaker as well as I run a YouTube channel, English with
Okay.
Kalpana. So that's about me.
Okay. What's your channel's name?
English with Kalpana.
Okay, English with Kalpana. Okay, nice. Why are you learning English? What do you have purpose behind it? Because you are learning English, you are learner.
Yes, yeah. I actually am passionate about this language since my childhood. Yeah,
Okay.
and I'm a good speaker in English, and if I learn speak in English very fluently, then it helps for my
Okay.
son.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
there are so
Okay.
many.
Okay. Okay. What do you do apart from this? Because you are learning.
Yes, yes. I watch some videos. I watch videos and listen speeches.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever thoughts comes in my mind, I write down in a notebook. And when I
Okay.
get time, I take session with someone and
Okay.
reading books which is related in English. So that's these are things I am doing.
Okay. Are you using another application?
No, I'm not using other application.
Okay. Okay. Nice. That's how long have you been using this? I think this application for learning English.
Okay, means YouTube about my
You,
channel.
YouTube and you're learning English.
Okay. Yeah, on my YouTube journey, spoken English journey about 3 months ago.
Okay, 3 months ago. Yeah, I think you are a learner.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay, 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 okay. Recently, have you downloaded this YouTube channel? Sorry, created the YouTube channel. Have you created the
yeah,
YouTube
5 months.
channel?
Yeah, 5 months, 5 or 6 months ago, I have uploaded.
Okay,
Sorry, I have create the
uploaded.
channel. I have
Okay,
created the.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, nice. Do you have any topic to discussion?
Yes, we can discuss about knowledge and confidence. What is better? Which is
Okay,
better?
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay. Actually, according to my perception that uh, I think confidence is very important than knowledge. Actually, these times I can speak English well. I know everything related to grammars, but when it comes to speak English with other persons, so that times I get stuck because of lack of confidence. So I think confidence is very important than knowledge. If you have knowledge, then you can speak speak other language very
Yes,
easily. But if you have more much knowledge but you don't have more much confidence, so you can't speak with other person. So I think confidence is very important than knowledge. I think knowledge
yes.
is very important also, but confidence is very important.
And in my opinion, knowledge is knowledge is better than confidence, because
Yes,
if we have not knowledge of anything, then we can't show our confidence. If
yes,
we have this, then we can then we can share our thoughts, then we can share our knowledge to others with
yes,
confidence. If we have
yes.
not knowledge, how to show our confidence?
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
actually, sometimes I think I should speak with other person in English, because then
yeah,
I have I get opportunities to talk in English. So that times I get stuck how to say, how to speak in English, because that times my mind totally blank because of underconfidence. So I think confidence is very important. Very, I think confidence you can. I think this session is very important, because your confidence, your speaking will be increase as well your confidence.
yes. I'm agree with you, because if we have a confidence and to speak, for example, we speak in English
Yes,
confidence, then
yes,
and doing mistakes, then no one sees our mistake. Everyone see our confidence, whatever
yes,
we speak.
yes,
Yeah, that time notice, no one figure out our mistakes. They only see our confidence.
yes,
Yeah, it's a nice speaking. Yeah, like that. All they are saying.
yes.
Are
Okay,
most
okay,
important.
okay, ma'am. It's okay. Don't worry.
Yeah, both are most important, and both are incomplete to each other.
Yes,
Without knowledge, we cannot do anything. And without confidence, we can't do anything. For example, if we go for an interview, then that time, if we have a great knowledge, but we have not confidence, then that time we can't get that job.
yes,
Yes. So both are most important. I'm trying.
yes, yes.
Nice
So
talk
please, yes, continue.
to talk with you.
Okay.
You are a very nice person.
Okay, thank you. Actually, I can understand your feeling. Actually, even I am learner and I am making the video.
Yeah.
Yes.
So nice to you. Bye.
Bye bye. Nice to talk to you. And one